Dear students, in this lecture we shall calculate the nearest neighbor distance and the atomic packing factor or simply packing factor of SC, BCC and FCC lattice. Before this, we would have to know about the atomic radius, so let's start. The atomic radius is defined as half of the distance between the nearest neighbor atoms in the crystal. Usually, it is expressed in terms of the age of the unit cell or lattice parameter. In our discussion, we shall denote the age of the unit cell or lattice parameter by A, the atomic radius by R, and the nearest neighbor distance by D. R and D is related as D equal to 2R because the atoms are supposed to be spherical in size and any two nearest neighboring atoms touch each other. See the diagram. Now we shall calculate the nearest neighbor distance. See the diagram of SC lattice. In this diagram, AB represents the atomic radius. So AB equal to R equal to A by 2. Hence the nearest neighbor distance D equal to 2R equal to 2 into A by 2 equal to A. See the diagram of BCC lattice. From this diagram, we may write AC square equal to AB square plus BC square equal to AD square plus BD square plus BC square, or 4R whole square equal to A square plus A square plus A square equal to 3A square, or R equal to root 3 by 4 into A. Therefore, D equal to 2R equal to root 3 by 2 into A. This is the nearest neighbor distance of BCC lattice. See the diagram of FCC lattice. From this diagram, we may write AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, or 4R whole square equal to A square plus A square equal to 2A square, or R equal to root 2 by 4 into A. Therefore, D equal to 2R equal to root 2 by 2 into A equal to 1 by root 2 into A. This is the nearest neighbor distance of FCC lattice. Now we shall calculate the atomic packing factor or simply packing factor. The atomic packing factor or packing factor of unit cell is defined as the ratio of the volume of the atoms occupying the unit cell to the volume of the unit cell. It is also known as relative packing density. If there are small n atoms, each of volume small v per unit cell, and capital V is the volume of unit cell, then packing factor equal to small v into small n by capital V. The volume of the unit cell of edge A equal to A cube, and the volume of the atom of radius R equal to 4/3 pi R cube. For simple cubic lattice, atomic radius R equal to A by 2 and the number of atoms per unit cell equal to 1. Thus packing factor equal to 1 into 4/3 pi R cube by A cube equal to 1 into 4/3 pi A by 2 whole cube by A cube equal to pi by 6 nearly equal to 0.52. For BCC lattice, R equal to root 3 by 4 into A and the number of atoms per unit cell equal to 2. Thus packing factor equal to 4/3 pi root 3 by 4 into A whole cube into 2 by A cube equal to root 3 by 8 into pi nearly equal to 0.68. For FCC lattice, R equal to root 2 by 4 into A and the number of atoms per unit cell equal to 4. Thus packing factor equal to 4/3 pi root 2 by 4 into A whole cube into 4 by A cube equal to root 2 by 6 pi nearly equal to 0.73. That's all.